Bali Antipolo. Bali 6 minutes na lang, ando na ako. Naiinip na nga si sir na naiinip eh. Tumawad pero pipilitin pa rin nating tumawad. Mga bigan. Ay nako. Digit Odo tong itong nakalagay dito.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function, no assumptions. Feel like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, I know it coming over me. Extra gold.
Hindi naman po ako nakasignal eh. Hindi naman po ako liliko.
Feeling go out, this feeling don't drought, this party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just love me. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Bali, guys, nanggaling na ako dito sa isang unit. Medyo, mahirap tawaran, mayaman. Big time, eh. Ganda ng bahay, oh. Ayun yung unit, yung bahay. Hindi natin masyado 30 minutes ang layo doon sa isang natin. Medyo mataas talaga yung Odo. Yun ang isang kinaano ko eh. Pero kung kako ibibigay sa masyado talagang mataas, yun lang talaga kung medyo nasa kung nasa may bandang 60 or 70 tatsagain ko eh. Tapos nga talaga medyo hindi naman sa mataas, parang reasonable naman siguro. Pero ang budget lang natin syempre kung ano yung budget natin, yun lang 650, 700 max. Baka naman sakali. Eto, hindi ko na kailangan ng mekaniko rito, sabi ni sir. Ako naman, sa tingin ko mga naman yan, eto nga lang, medyo mabababang variant. Pero
I wanna be with you.
putik.